which car you recommend avoiding in UAE?
Dubai I say if you're into about cars, buying used cars, Range Rover.
Okay, Range Rover.
Peugeot, Range Rover,
Yeah.
Volvo.
I heard of Jaguar as well,
Jaguar
apparently.
also, yeah.
Okay.
Same, Jaguar and Range Rover mostly
Okay.
similar with this.
So I think new, they work quite well. And from a certain age, it starts to be a lot of
We say until under warranty,
Yeah.
you can happy to drive. After
Okay.
a warranty, you have issue with this.
Okay, very interesting.